Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to publish articles, improve SEO, share updates or build authority, adding a blog in GoDaddy Websites Builder is one of the smartest moves you can make in 2026. Most problems come from not knowing where the blog lives, forgetting to publish posts or expecting WordPress level features. So we will avoid all of that. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to add a blog to GoDaddy Websites Builder in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, open your website editor. So log in to your GoDaddy account. Go to websites, okay, tap it, find your website. So we have this one, okay, so click edit website. So you will have a page like this. You must be inside the editor or editor to add a blog. Okay, so add the blog feature. Okay, so in the editor, click add page. So choose blog, confirm adding the blog. GoDaddy will automatically create a blog page, add it to your navigation and enable the blog system. You only do this once, okay? So now create your first blog post. So go to blog, go posts, click create new post, add post title, content, featured image. This creates an individual blog post page automatically, okay? So structure your post like this: clear headline, short intro paragraph, subheadings, images or bullet points, and simple conclusion. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.